Hi, welcome to NORCET Academy. Today we will discuss about immunoglobulins. What is immunity? The ability of the human body to defend itself against a pathogenic agent is called immunity. So what is agent? Agent means any substance that causes the body to make an immune response against the substance. Example, any toxins, chemicals, bacteria, virus. These are all from outside of the body. The antigens are any substance that cause the body to make immune response. Here our body will respond with against of the antigen. The antigens are two types, outside of the body, inside of the body. Inside of the body and antigens are toxins, chemicals, bacteria and virus. Outside of the body means within inside of the body cells and tissues also will make some antigens. Example, in cancer cells inside of the body, they are the antigens in our body. There are the 5 main RH antigens are present on RBC. Those are CC, DE and E. Most important RH antigen is RHD. If it is describe our positive or negative. If we are in our blood RHD is present, means our blood group is positive. In our blood, if there is no RHD, then we will call our blood is negative. So let us discuss about some of the immunoglobulins. Okay. Antibody. This is a protein produced by the body to attack the antigen. So this is also plasma protein. Where protein will produce? In plasma. In our blood, plasma is there. From plasma, antibody will produce. Plasma is having plasma proteins. From these proteins, antibodies will produce. Antibodies are negatively charged. Negative charged proteins. So, for example, if antibody is like this, it is having antibody. This is our antibody. It is having light chain and heavy chain. These are all heavy chains. These are all light chains. So here the antigen, it will attract antigen. So these spikes will be attracted by the antigen. Next we will discuss about the different types of antigens. We are having immunoglobulins are types are there. Today our main topic is types of immunoglobulins. 5 types are there. Those are IgM, IgD, IgG, IgA and IgE. Let us discuss about IgM. IgM is a first secreted antibody in response to foreign antigen. So if we'll get any foreign body will enter into our body, then first antibody, that immunoglobulin respond to that antigen is IgM. So it is having pentameric structures, and primary response of antibody also it is pentameric structure. So it is, if any antigen is entered into our body, it will respond. The weight of IgM is 90k Dalton, means it is more weight and it is biggest IgM in our body. So it is, if we are in our blood, more IgM indicates new infection. If any new infection, it will attack. If in our blood IgM is more, means then we can find out primary infection. All immunoglobulins are glycoproteins. Half-life of IgM is about 5 days. Up to 5 days the IgM half-life will be there. It found in blood and lymph nodes. Mainly we will see this IgM in blood and lymph nodes. Also called millinare molecule because it will fight against the primary infection, so that it is called millinare molecule, and also it is having more weight. It is biggest molecule, biggest immunoglobulin in our body. Next we will discuss about IgD. IgD is present surfaces of human B cells. Small amount present in our blood. It is very small amount it present in our blood. Half-life is 3 days only, and IgD membrane antigen receptors activated the B cells. IgD receptors are there. It will activate the B cells in our blood. What is role of this IgD immunoglobulin? Respiratory immune response and small role in allergic reactions. So your respiratory system, if at any infections are there, any allergens are there, it will activate the B cells, and it is responsible for the activation of B cells. And also in allergic reactions also it will show its role, very small amount. Next we will see IgG. So IgG, it is present in body fluids, example, and human serum, extracellular fluid also. It produced after 7 to 4 days infection. So primary immune response is by IgM and secondary immune response by IgG. It is if we are suffering with 7 to 14 days any infection, the IgG will activate and it will against the infection. It is most abundant immunoglobulin in our blood. It 80% in our blood. It is there 80% of immunoglobulins IgG. So it can cross the placenta. In chronic infections also we can see it is also cross the placenta from mother to, it cross the placenta to baby, and seen in chronic infections also. We will see in secondary response immunoglobulin is IgG. If any person is suffering with long term infections, there will be a IgG positive. The role is fight against bacterial and viral infection. Mainly it will fight against the bacterial and viral infections. Next we will see IgA. IgA is present in mucous membrane of respiratory and digestive system, and also it is also present in saliva, tears and breast milk. From breast milk, if they will ask some type of questions, which immunoglobulin present in breast milk? The answer is IgA is present in breast milk. So this is our IgA. Next we will move on to the IgE. IgE, so it is found under skin and epithelial surface of the air, and IgE high in people with allergic reactions. If people is having allergic reaction, which immunoglobulin is more? If they will ask these type of questions, IgE is more in allergic reaction patient. If we will drink green tea, it will lower the IgE antibodies in our body. Next we will see. So this is our small topic today. So if you please like, share and subscribe, and do comment also. These IgE immunoglobulins are plasma proteins negatively charged, and also immunoglobulins very important topic to our exams also. Thank you.